Second. Photo stop in 59 seconds of the camera. Oh, wait.
Oh, is it going?
Congratulations, Serge and Serena.
Woo! Well, we're glad to be here. So
I'm more than happy to be here because you guys, like, when you look at each other, you love each other, and it's very refreshing.
all she wants to do is dance, but you guys are doing awesome. I'm glad that you guys are married, and I can see that the happiness will just go on forever. So
Cheers.
I'm glad to be here. Yeah. Cheers to you guys. We're drinking now. You guys are right. You guys are right there. There you guys are.
Oh yeah, we're looking at you right now.
I see you.
Serena, I love you from the bottom of my heart. I mean,
this recording will stop in 7, 6, 5,
I stop it. Serena, I love you. Congratulations, you two, your son.